Zaya fans, you already know what it is. It's your girl Zaya, and I'm back with another what? With another who? With another banger for the YouTube. Alright, y'all. So today, as y'all can already tell by the title, y'all finna be cooking with me. Period. We finna cook some rotel dip. I never cooked rotel dip by myself. My mother always helps me or does it for me. But today, I'm gonna do it by myself, and I'm gonna make a YouTube video out of it. So yeah, y'all finna basically see me make a fool out of myself. And if I die, I poison myself. Cause I don't know how to cook like that. I know how to cook some noodles. That's why I know how to cook. But alright, y'all, that's enough for that. I'm gonna need y'all to like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications on, cause y'all already know what the deal is. Alright, y'all, so we back, and first we finna cut this and try not to cut my fingers off. Look at me, I'm a chef. Okay, don't. Please don't pay that no attention. Just X that out. I don't know if I'm supposed to put all this up in there, so I'm just gonna cut it all up. Alright, so I got this cheese open, and now we finna cut it. Y'all can see I done chopped up this cheese. So now we finna cook this ground beef. Alright, y'all, so I got everything right. So now I'm just finna transfer everything and so y'all see me mix everything up, and then we just finna wait till it get done. Then we're gonna do a taste test. Period. I'll see y'all. Alright, guys, we back, and this is what it looks like. And I got my juice. Hold on. Okay, but now we finna taste whatever I just did here. Let me try to get some. I can't get it. Okay, I got some. Pray for me. That's good. That's good. Alright, y'all. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn that post notifications on. Bye.